Hi, Claudia here. Today I have very special announcement to make. I was invited by Rachel and Bella Craft to participate in a collaboration video, and I'm so excited. Um, the design are gonna be from Rachel and Bella Craft and Angela Carr. They have such a beautiful design kit that I'm so excited. And this is going to be for July. Here are the crafters that are gonna participate. I'm gonna leave it like this, so if you want to take a screenshot, you can have it. And I'm gonna be on the 10, and the idea is to revitalize your crafting. Sometimes we lose the inspiration, and with this collaboration we're gonna give you a lot of inspiration. It's gonna be um, all kind of things: the tags, the belly bands, the envelopes, pockets, uh, the journal, the size of the journal, the shape of the journal. And i hope um, I hope you um, see all of them. You can go to the hashtag crafty summer simple and you will see all the videos there. I'm gonna give you a little preview of the papers. The papers, you can find it in the Kofi, Richard and Bella coffee store and Angela Care website. And all the information is going to be in the detail box. And so here they come, you can print it in the size that you want it. I printed smaller so I can do a fast flip through. And I'm telling you, the design is spectacular. I understand was inspired by a retreat that they have there in England. And so let me go. And the papers are gorgeous. I love it. And obviously there are all the tags and buttons. They, like always, I already start to cut. We have some tags here, and we have pockets here, more tags, envelopes, and oh, look at this. I have some that I haven't cut. So look at the fussy cuts. Those are lovely. I can wait to put my hands on it. I just hope that you enjoy it. Please don't forget to leave to subscribe and leave a comment, and that way you will be able to participate in the giveaway at the end of the collaboration. Okay, so you see the paper is beautiful. Oops, even upside down. So my video is coming. I'm gonna be on July 10th, but don't forget, because there are a lot of beautiful and very creative participants in the collaboration, so you want to see all of them, and you will see, you will have a rush of inspiration, and you will do more than what you used to do. Okay, so here again all the participation, and here there are some of my my, I don't know how to call them. They are not my hero, but they are for sure my big and inspired people. The scrapbooking with me, oh my goodness. So I hope you keep me company for this new challenge and see you soon. Bye bye.